So in this video we can to study it about how to read need for speed most wanted file, and you can to study it about all the things on this speed for folder, and you can to study it about and handle all the things on that. So guys, if you have any type of fault you can ask me in the shell option and I will give you best tech option here. So this type of file folder you can do file study, and we can do study about premium study about like that. So you can do see my screen, we have much more folder like that, and we can do study it about ENG folder, RUS folder, cards, credits, front end, and the much more folder like that. So you can do study about global languages, and you can do check it one, and you can study it one like memory card and movie file. So we have much more file folder, and you can to first study it about all the folder, and then you can to stabilize there. So we are making this type of content for the conception, and you can to study about perfect present, and they can be make sure to best ever. So if you have any type of fault, any type of criteria, you can ask me in box, and I will give you best suggestion and the best suggestion maker ever. So we can to study about speed axis, speed shell, etc. Another type of videos we can to make content conception, and we are to give you access of this type of data. So if you have any type of criteria, any type of issues, you can ask me and I will give you best suggestion maker here. So the shell extension have much more server, and you can do study about file list txt. So you can do study about file txt and cache txt like that, cache dat dot tmp dot dat. So sound and pf data, and you can do handler like server, and they can be much more extraction data. We can store our data on this type of file folder, and they can be consumption here, and they can be file folder like study that. So we are the main topic of our video is how to read and read need for speed file folder, and you can to study all the thing on this one. And the L2RA, this one is our model number, and you can to check it one. This one is our mini BLMP, and they can be use your manual like that. So we have much more folder, and we can to study it all type of folder, and we can have a pigeon here. So go to car, then you can to study there. So make sure this type of video are very interesting for everyone. You can do copy any type of data, and you can do study it any type of car, and you can be like that. So all the folder are with bin type, and they can be stored in our memory, and we can to access this type of memory like. So the main taken of our video like support sound, and we can do sound, and like that we can do study about sound, engine sound, EVS system, FE, FXE edit, global, IG global, mix map, Niger web data, NOS, PF data, shifting, skids, speed, stream, turbo. So we have much more options like that, and you can do study it once. You can no need to read one another. So you can do read subtitle, and subtitle have much more option like that. You can use this subtitle on your screen, and they can be much more handled like that. So we have to use your accessible track, and you can to use your track here, and they can be tracking devices are usable, and they can be much more NIS folder, and NIS folder can store your data on your file handler data, and they can be much more stored in our screen data. And we have used gradiental form have much more Chinese form, and you can to use your study in one time, and you can to finish it with this type of criteria, and you can no need to read it another time. So make sure to check it one, and you can to need no need in front end. We can use platform have car load bin, carrier safe house, customize shop bin, and other type of platform portfolio like that. So we have a much more study about that. You can to check it one, and they can be never need another time, and they can be stabilized, and they can be and import it here. So we are the main reasoning and the main studying like that. So is criterion here, and they can be check it one, and you can no need to read another time, and they can be use your manual like that. So make sure to subscribe our channel because we need this subscription, and they can be taken much more your time, and we can to study this type of file folder, and they can be no need to much more handler. So take yourself, and we are meet in next video with new content. So make sure to check it one, and subscribe us one time.